Hello, welcome back again. So we are discussing about how to pick a color gradient. So we stop at this icon. So if I wanted to pick another icon, so I now click there. Can you see that it display a color when I pick the second icon? Can you see that it show a color also? And at its edges, can you see a color there? Then if you click on color, let's assume you want to use a yellow color, you just come to this color box. You come to this color box. Let me click here. Let me display this color box. You just come and pick this color box. So if you pick this color box, it will display a color also that you can pick. Then let's assume I wanted to use yellow. Then I can now display my yellow here. Then I'll pick it. Can you see green and red? Then after you have done, you can change its position. You just come to this top icon, this position icon. You can just change the position to these 6 boxes. If you start clicking the boxes, then the position of the color will be changing. So if you click this one, can you see that the position has changed? If you click this one, the position has changed also. If you click this one, the position has changed also. If you click this one, the position change also. If you click this one, the position will change. If you click this one also, the position will change. So you can add another color to our design. If you want to add another color to another color box to our design, you can come down here. You come down here to click this plus button. So if you click on the plus button, then it will bring another box. Then you can click on it. Then you go to your color box and change it. Let's assume I want to use blue for this. You just click your blue and press OK. Can you see that it has missed? Then if you want to change the direction and color position, you can just be clicking the box one after the other. Then you can change the color position. Then if you want to remove the box, also the arrow, the color arrow, then you can just come to this minus here. If you come to this minus, then you can remove if you click on it, then the color will remove. Then if you want to change the position of your color, also you can be clicking this. Can you see that the position has changed? And the position will be changing. Can you see? Can you see that the position is changing? Then that's that about our background color. Let's assume I want to pick only ordinary color. I just come to this color here and pick any color I like. That's that about our color. Then if you want to use it, the follow it is our transparent. Let's assume you have design. You want to design a logo for your brand, and you want it to be transparent PNG. You want to make it a PNG logo. Then you can just come here. Let's assume I want to write my logo. Let me write any logo here. And then creative. Then let me give it some font and touches HB. So let me see if I can see any. So I will click my OK here. Let's assume I want to use this font for my font. Then I want to use this one for my logo. Then I can come here, and I want to make it a makeup. I want to use it as a mock-up. Let me give it a shadow. So and reduce its opacity. Its blur radius. Let me reduce its blur radius. Let's assume I want to give it a transparent. I want to make it as a logo that I can be applying it to any design I made. So I just come to this transparent something. Then I'll click this transparent icon. If I click it, then it will pop up some. If we take the background color, then I can just come up here and download it. Then save as image. And then I will save it to gallery. Then if you want to make another design, let's assume I have changed this. Then let's assume I have made a design. I want to make another design. Then I want to use the logo again. I can just come here, pick my background color. Let us not want to use this color. Then I'll go to my images and I can bring my the color that I have, the logo that I have made. Then I can just use this as my logo. Can you see it? Can you see it? That's that about the transparent icon.